How you guys doing today? Let's check out some BSAs in the shop today. First off, remember that B25? Well, I got it running, but not with the B25 engine. It's got a 441 I put in it when I picked up with a bike. So, got it running. That B25, now B44. Cut that thing off, noisemaker. But yeah, I've been working on the B25 engine, but I had to tear it all down and basically do a total rebuild on it. So in the meantime, I put that B44 in. It's a 441 engine. So I assembled that and put it on and get it rided around. It's fun to ride. Do have another tank for it. I don't particularly like that big bulky tank. So I found a Victor Special tank. It's a little dented up, but it's alloy tank, and put that on there eventually. Lighten it up a little bit. It's in the works. Let's go in the shop. Oh, there's my Victor Special 441. It's running good. I don't know if you noticed these handlebars are actually off of a Yamaha DT175. The handlebars that came with it were real short, narrow, and it wasn't fun to drive that way. So changed the handlebars. Other than that, I like the bike. It's probably good to go. Needs a little bit of front end work, but I need to check the oil. And let's go over here. Oh, that's an old Triumph. Been working on. It's a Tiger Cub, Triumph Tiger Cub, and got the engine out, rebuilding the engine. It's a little 200cc Tiger Cub. And then this is B50, BSA B50. Picked it up in Connecticut, and basically it's got the single cylinder 500 engine. It was been sitting outside for many years, so the engine was locked up tight. And after weeks of soaking it, I got it to break free. But it's unfortunate because the bore was pretty good. It had low miles engine. You can see the bore's not too bad. But I guess in the process of getting it out, I cracked the sleeve at the bottom there. So probably gonna have to re-sleeve that cylinder. And so it's all in pieces, but it'll be a good bike when it's done. Yeah, it only had like a little over 2,000 miles on it. Shame somebody let it sit outside. But yeah, I seen where I can get a sleeve for it and have it bored. Or I was trying to find a used cylinder, and they're kind of pricey, so probably eventually. Let's see, there's that for the B25, there's that tank I picked up. Like I say, it has a big gouge in the side of it, and a big dent, a couple big dents in it. Somebody wasn't kind to it, but it's aluminum, so I think we can get them pulled out, fixed up. And then this is the B25 engine. Basically, when I got it, she was in rough shape. Actually, I got a used crank with connecting rod on it. Put that in. So put new bearings on it. Put it back together. So it is back together at least. Now all I have to do is put everything else on it. But should be a runner. Get it reassembled. It's a Bonneville 750 Triumph. It's a nice bike. It needs cranks locked up on one side, connecting rod big on the big end. Just took the heads off of it and found out she was locked up, so that has to be disassembled and fixed up. That one's in good shape. Various parts. Let's see, over here, got another 750. I got that thing, picked it up, got it running, but smoke's bad, oil, burns a lot of oil. It needs a top end rebuild. And there's that old BSA, 48 BSA. I still got to source some parts for that. Motor's not locked up, which is good, but it needs a carburetor and generator. The two major things. And a few small stuff. Yep, that's about it. Stuff in the works. Working on cars and motorcycles, and kind of like the British bikes and Mopars. So if you like British bikes or Mopars, stay tuned. I'll have more videos. Thank you guys for watching. Take care.